In this video, I'll be sharing with you this fully funded scholarship for all the Commonwealth member countries to study a 2-year master's degree. This scholarship offers a fully funded tuition fees, living allowance for the duration of the award, return flight tickets, one-off arrival allowance, and research support grants. Let's jump right in. Hi, my name is Sylvia. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to always be notified. Don't forget to like and share this video with your family and friends. This scholarship is called the Queen Elizabeth Commonwealth Scholarship. This scholarship is targeted to those that are from the Commonwealth member countries. We're going to see the list of the Commonwealth member countries in a bit. I want to point out that the application for the Cycle 2 are now open, and this application for this Commonwealth 2023 is open until 24th May 2023. So please do well to apply to this scholarship before the closing dates. These are the perks that this scholarship covers: fully funded tuition fees, living allowance for the duration of the award, return economy flights to the host country, one-off arrival allowance, research supports. And this research support, it says, is on request, only subject to approval. These are the list of the Commonwealth member countries. If your country is on this list, so that means you're eligible. So this is for Africa. We have Botswana, Cameroon, Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, Sierra Leone, Namibia, Uganda, South Africa. And for Asia, we have Bangladesh, Pakistan, Singapore, Sri Lanka, and the rest. Caribbean and Americas, we have the Barbados, Canada, Dominica, and the rest. For those in Europe area, we have the UK, Malta, Cyprus. For those in Pacific, Australia, Fiji, Solomon Island, and the rest. Do well to see if your country is represented. Yes. Very importantly, I want to point out something here. It says before submitting the application, you should first of all review the current available courses, destinations, and entry requirements for each university listed below. We strongly advise applicants to read all of the application guidelines and frequently asked questions. So this is important so that you know what to expect and what is needed from you. Very quickly, when I click on this application guidelines, so this tries to tell you what you would see when filling the form. So it consists of the eligibility section, personal details, academic and employment record, course at host university details, statement, uploading the supporting documents, including references. So please do well to go through this to understand what each section is talking about. When I click on the frequently asked questions, so it brought me to this page of the frequently asked questions, and here you can already see different questions. So feel free to go through all of these questions if you have any doubts or any question bothering you. I think it's very comprehensive and it's going to guide you through. I want to point out one question. Can I apply for a Queen Elizabeth Commonwealth Scholarship to study for undergraduate? It says no, that this is only for master's degree. Is there an age limit? And the answer is no. There is no upper age limit to be eligible, so everyone is open to this application, irrespective of your age. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and share it with your family and friends. The first participating country that offer the scholarship is Fiji. So you can study in Fiji, and this is a university that you'll be studying in the University of South Pacific. And these are the courses that this university offer. Your course of interest is listed here, so that means you'll be applying to the University of South Pacific. So these are all the lists. And once this is what you want, this is the apply button. And if you have questions, you can also contact them using this address. For South Africa, this is the University Stellenbosch University, and these are the two courses that they offer: pharmacology and process engineering. So if you're interested in these two courses, so this is the university you'll be applying to in South Africa, and you do well to read through the university entry requirements and hit this apply button. And also, this is another university in South Africa. You can click on this link to view the courses that they have, read through what is required of this university, and you click on the apply button. Next is the University of Pretoria, also in South Africa. Third country is Sri Lanka, and here you have University of Colombo and also this university. So if you're interested in molecular life science or molecular immunology, you apply here, and as well as Master of Business Administration, you apply here. Please ensure to read the university requirements when doing this. Basically, to make application for this scholarship, you will either be studying in Fiji, South Africa, or Sri Lanka. So to make this application, first of all, we are going to apply for the scholarship, and I'm going to be using Fiji as a country to demonstrate this, and later I will come over here to apply to the University of South Pacific. First, let's apply for the scholarship. So I will click on this apply now button. On this page, you basically create a new account or you log in if you have created one. So I'm going to click on get started. Fill in your personal details like so. Now you click on create new account. Once you've done that, you come over to your inbox to check your email to click on the registration. So here you can see my information for registration. I'm going to click on this link to direct me to the page of this application. Now it directs me back to this page where I have to log in with my username, which I already created, and my password like so. Then I click on log in. So once you log in, it brings you to this interface. So this is the interface where I'll be making the application, the Association of Commonwealth University. So right now we are going to click on this one, apply here, so that we start our application. This is where you start the application. It says page 1 of page 10. So this is going to be in 10 pages. And when you scroll through, read through this information to understand again correctly what you're expected to do. Bear in mind the closing date. And once you're ready, you say next page. And on the next page, it brings you to fill in your nationality, which is your country here. I selected Ghana. Do you have a dual nationality? No. Have you completed an undergraduate? Yes. So which university are you applying for? University of South Pacific. So if you're applying for any other university, you will select those here, but make sure it's one of these universities. Once you're done, you click on save and continue. Basically, you continue like this until you get to the last page, which is going to be the page 10, and you send your application. And if for any reason you want to come back to it, you can save it as draft. Here it says submission saved. You may return to this form later and it will restore the current value. So here you can already see it says saved as draft from me and the date, and also when I come back I will click on continue. It's pretty very straightforward, and this is of course free of charge. This is basically it for the application for the Queen Elizabeth, and once you submit you will see your submitted application, but right now it's telling me no application is found. Now we are going to apply directly to the university for one of these courses listed here, the University of South Pacific. So here I'm going to click on this link, University of South Pacific, to come directly to the university's page. This is the university's page, University of South Pacific. So when you scroll down, you find your course. Here I'm going to be filtering for postgraduate course, and then I hit on search. Got the list of postgraduate courses here on this University of South Pacific. I'm going to be searching for Master in Information Systems. So this one, I'm going to click on view details. Here you can see the program details, the program overview. So please do well to look through it. It's a duration of 1 year full-time or 2 years part-time. And this is the campus. So all this information you would need. And once you are meeting all the eligibility criteria for this university, all you have to do is then to click on the apply now button. This is the page for the application in the University of South Pacific. So once you get to this place, you can see other applicants may apply here. Because I'm international, I'm not from Fiji. So I'm going to click on this link here to direct me to the page. Once you're on this page, you scroll down, online application, and here you can see international applicants. So you click on this link. This is the interface for the online application for international applicants. So right now, I'm going to click here to create a new account. Put your first name and your personal details like so, and you click on submit. At this point, you have to go to your mailbox, get your activation email. So please do well to check your spam, because right now it was sent to me in my spam folder. So now I'm going to click on this, and here it says, click on this link below to activate your account. So I'm going to click on this link to direct me to the page. On this page, you're going to select international applicant. Here you enter your email and password like so, and click on login. Right now we are on the application for admission for international applicants. So here you can read through this information, and then you select that you're applying for international intake semester 2 and click on start application. And here it asks you which study do you wish to apply for. We're applying for postgraduate. Reloads you to the application page. So here, this is basically your personal information. Make sure to read through carefully, fill in all the necessary details as honest as possible. If you want to go to any of these tabs, you can click on contact details. It takes you to the contact details. If you want to go to programs, it takes you to the program. So here you be sure to select the program that is listed. So here I'm going to select Master of Science and Information Systems. This is one of the courses here, so be sure to select one of these courses here. So please do well to fill everything accurately. If you want to go back, you can go to previous. This is the next button. You can also log out on this page and come back to it later. So this is basically it. I think it's going to be pretty straightforward. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.